Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create this trending reel in your Instagram. So let's get start this tutorial. You know this reel is going on trend in Instagram, so how you can edit this reel in Instagram. So let's get start this tutorial. First you need to open your Instagram application, then go to the plus option, then go to the story option, and you have to scroll the effect, all effect you have to scroll it like that. You have to scroll it, click to the search option, and you have to search here one effect name. You have to write here locked, LOCKED, locked. You have to write here locked. You will get first effect. Click to the first effect. By going to try it, you can try it by going to save this effect. You can save like this effect. Like that you can create this Instagram trending reel in your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I have given the link in description. You will get like this video always in this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.